Alrighty, class. This is page 63B, problem 74 through 84. And there is a question on how do you do these kind of problems, okay? So these are the difference quotient problems. And we're going to show you a couple of these. Hopefully you can finish your homework after this. All right, so here is number 77. The function is f of x is equal to x squared minus x plus 1, and what they want you to find is this. Okay, so we are just going to follow that. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to find out what f of 2 plus h is, and all you're going to do is instead of x you are going to put that in and you are going to simplify it. All right, so instead of x you are going to put 2 plus h. 2 plus h, you're going to go ahead and FOIL that. That's going to give you 4 plus 4h plus h squared, and then distribute the negative 1 through, okay, and then combine like terms. Let's see, I'm gonna write the h square first, okay? So I have my h square, that's this one. I have an h there, so plus 3h. Then I have numbers, I have a 4, a negative 2, that's gonna give me a positive 2, plus 1, that's going to give me a 3. Okay, so that's my h, my f of h plus h. And then my f of 2 is just that. So we do the same thing. Instead of x, just plug in a 2 and evaluate that. Okay, need a 2 in here, I need a 2 in there. And then that's 4 minus 2 plus 1. That is equal to a 4 minus 2 is 2, and then plus 1 is a 3. All right, so now what we are going to do is we are going to write that down, okay? All right, so you have a quotient, so you're dividing. Difference means that you are subtracting, okay? So your your f of 2 plus h is h squared. I'm gonna put this in parentheses, okay? Plus a 3h plus a 3, and then my f of 2 is a 3. That's all over h. Next, I'm going to remove the parentheses and just simplify the top, okay? So then if I remove the parentheses and just simplify the top, the reason why I do this, put them in parentheses, is sometimes you have to distribute, okay? So you want to make sure that we don't make that mistake. All right, so if I were to simplify this, these will cancel out. Then you end up with h squared plus 3h on the top over h, and what you want to do is factor as much as you can and cancel as much as you can, okay? So you will have h plus 3, and if you cancel the h, your answer would be h plus 3, okay? So that's how you do these kind of problems. Just follow the formulas or the formula and just break it down chunk by chunk, okay? Let's do another one here just in case, as long as I'm here. So this one, same thing, just different function. So first of all, you already have your g of h. Let's find the g of 3. Okay, so g of 3 is just equal to 3 times 3. And I just like to change color so you can see better. So this is just going to be 9 minus 1, which is 8. And then we are going to go ahead and just put it into the formula. Okay, the difference quotient. Okay, minus here. So you have your 3x minus 1. And then you have your g of 3, which is 8. And you have your x minus 3 at the bottom. What I like to do, again, I always like to put these in parentheses so that you don't cancel things that you're not supposed to. Let's simplify the top. That will give you a 3x minus 9. And then you have an x minus 3 here, and I see that there is a GCF, okay, of 3 on the top, so go ahead and do that. And if you did that, then guess what? Everything is going to cancel. Not everything, but that big term here is going to cancel. So your answer is just a nice 3. So when you do these kind of problems, of course, again, it's not hard, it's just lengthy, but if you break it down and just do it one step at a time, it's quite easy. So here you have these kind of problems. Hopefully this is going to help you finish your work, and we see you soon. Bye.